Hello students, in this video we will solve class 10 mathematics NCERT chapter 5 exercise 5.3 question number 19. First of all, let us read the question. Question says 200 logs are stocked in the following manner. So these are the wood logs. Okay, 1 2 3 4, these are the wood logs. These are placed in such a manner. Okay, so 20 logs in the bottom row. So in the bottom downward portion, in the bottom row, okay, there are 20, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to, you will find that there are 20 logs, and 19 in the next row. In the next row, upside of the bottom row, you will find that there are 19 logs. Okay, and 18 in the row next to it. So in the third row, you will find there are 18 row. In how many row are the 200 log placed? Okay, that means you need to find n, as n is equal to 200, it is given, and you need to find n, number of rows. Okay, number of row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay, and how many logs are in the top row? How many logs are in the top row? So in the top portion, how many logs are placed? Okay, that means we need to find an. Okay, let us solve this question. According to the question, it is given that 200 logs are stocked in the following manner. 200 logs, that means Sn is equal to 200. 20 logs in the bottom, 19 logs in the next row, 18 logs in the row next. Okay, that means given AP is how much? 20, 18, 20, 19, 18, 17, ... Okay, in how many rows are the 200 log placed? That means an is equal to question mark. And how many logs are in the top row? That means an is equal to question mark. So first of all, with the help of Sn, we will find n. Okay students, here a is equal to 20 and d is equal to 19 minus 20. 19 minus 20 is how much? Minus 1. So Sn is equal to 200. Okay students, now Sn, we will put the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 200. Okay students, n by 2 into 2a. What is our first term? First term is a is 20. 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? D is our minus 1 is equal to 200. So now multiply both sides by 2. Okay, when you multiply left hand side and right hand side both side by 2, then 2 and 2 got cancelled here. For example, n by 2 into 20 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 200. It is given, right? So multiplying both sides by this one, okay, is equal to 200 into 2. 200 into 2. So 2 here could cancel. So, or otherwise the trick that you call is the denominator to get transferred to the right side, okay, in the numerator. So n into 2 into 20 is 40 minus n minus minus plus 1 is equal to 200 into 2. Now n into 40 plus 1 is 41 minus n is equal to 400. So 41 n into 41 is 41 n minus n into n is n square is equal to 400. Now bring this 400 here, n square plus 41n minus 400 is equal to 0. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. So when you multiply by minus 1, you get n square minus become minus minus plus, plus minus minus, 41 and minus plus 400 is equal to 0. Now apply Sridharacharya formula, okay, quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Apply this formula. So here in place of x, here x is n, okay, you need to find the value of n is equal to minus b, minus b is 41, minus 41, plus minus root over of b square minus 41 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 400 by 2a. So here minus minus plus 41 plus minus root over of 41 square is how much? 41 square is 1681 minus 4 4 just 16, 00 by 2. So 41 plus minus 1681 minus 1600 is how much? 81. Okay, so root over of 81 by 2 is equal to 41 plus minus 81 root is how much? 9 by 2 is equal to 41 plus 9 by 2 comma 41 minus 9 by 2. So n is equal to, so n is equal to 41 plus 9 is 50 by 2 and 41 minus 9 is 32 by 2. So is equal to or okay, so this will be 25, this will be 16. So n is equal to 25 or 16. Okay, so now we got n is equal to 25 or n is equal to 16. That means the 200 stock has either 25 row or either 16 row. Okay, now we will find an. By finding an, we will come to know the number of rows. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Firstly find a25. A25 is how much? What is a? A is here 20 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into d is how much? Minus 1 is equal to 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. 20 minus 24 is minus 4. Okay, so here you see that in 25th row it has minus 4 logs, but this cannot be possible. But number of logs cannot be negative, right students? So now let us find a16. What is a16? A16 is a is 20 plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1 is 15 into minus 1. So 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. That means, therefore, number of rows where 200 logs are placed is equal to how much? How much? 16 rows. And in the top row it has 5 logs. Okay students, in the top row it has 5 logs. Okay students.